Plankmas, and today I have chosen to do a cardio plank called plank jacks. I've made sure that I've got a little bit more room this morning, and we're going to be doing plank jacks for 1.5 minutes. Plank jacks are simply what they say they are. You're going to stand in plank and open up and close your legs like you're doing a jumping jack, but your hands are stationary. Here we go. For a full 1.5 minutes. Do your best to keep your back level, your stomach in tight as you do this, your weight on your hands. Oh, guess what? That was 20 seconds. I had to do the math real quick in my head. I've got an old school clock here with a second hand. That's how I'm keeping track of the time, because my timer is on my phone and my phone is being used to record this. So for a full 1.5 minutes, we're halfway there ish. What was I thinking? This is gonna be tough because you can't breathe. All right, if you do need to take a break, make sure you stop, stick your butt up in the air. Don't lay down, don't completely stop. Try to just go one leg at a time. Whew. Guess what? That's 1 minute. We're over halfway there. That's 1.10 minutes. We have 20 seconds left. If you have slowed down, try to take these last 15 seconds and really push yourself to strengthen your core, your upper body, shoulders, arms. And let's go for 3, 2, 1. Wow, that one was a tough one. I hope that you made it through. If not, I challenge you to try that again a little bit later today. That is all for now. I am Sarah Marie with Sarah Marie Fitness, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for day 8.